Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Sekhukhune United 0, AmaZulu 2. I'm joined by a fan, my brother.
Charles Mkanzi,
Charles, my brother, what did you think about today's game? Which team do you support first?
Sekhukhune.
Okay, what did you think about today's game, my brother?
Well, they were playing very well, but they were failing to score. So yeah, I would give them 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10?
Yeah, boy. But where did it go wrong for Sekhukhune? Because this was a home game for your team. I would have expected you guys to come with a W.
Yeah, those guys, they came with Muthi too. Everything, it was going well. Mara mabafika mapale.
Yapet. So Muthi was a KZN.
Yeah, bo. So Tina we didn't have like strong Muthi.
Yeah.
But next time.
So
basire.
So any grand.
Yeah, bo.
Should you like fire your inyanga or what? Must you change?
Yeah, actually, say add. Meles bene 2.
Two professional healers.
Yeah, bomfetu. But otherwise, they would play it very well.
Yeah,
but
who was your man of the match, my brother?
Man of the match, I can give it to AmaZulu's goalkeeper.
Really?
The guy.
Muthi.
The guy.
He's nice.
He's good.
Him.
Yeah, bo.
My brother, do you have a Nedbank account?
Yes, I do.
You do?
Yes.
Did you register on nedbankcup.co.za?
No.
My brother, you don't know who there's a share of 5 million rands waiting for the fans this season.
I wasn't aware, but I'll register.
You'll register, my brother.
Yeah,
because not all hope is lost, my brother. You can register with another team. Maybe you can go with Orlando Pirates or something just for a share of 5 mil.
Yeah, I think I'll go with Sundowns.
Or Sundowns.
Yeah.
Going forward, my brother. Because there's 5 million for the fans, 7 mil for the team. So you just simply need to register nedbankcup.co.za, register your team, and then after you register your team, buy airtime for 20 rand or more, swipe your debit account just 3 times, and then you can stand a chance to win. There's even an iPhone for this week.
Oh, no, that's good. I'll register.
Free iPhone, free Samsung, up to the value of 30,000 rand.
All right, no, that's great, man. I'll register.
You'll register, my brother?
Yeah, bo.
Okay, my sister iPhone.
Una Leon?
Yeah.
Yeah, when you win one, you must give it to him.
Thank you, my brother.
Ciao.
Yeah, sure.